How to fix iPhone doesn't ring with incoming calls. So there are few possible causes. Here a step-by-step guide that you can follow to fix this issue. So first step is that you have to take your silent switch. So the solution is that make sure the silent switch on the left side of your iPhone is not turned on. So you have to just go and flip down to the right. So here you can see that I have successfully turned off my silent mode. So you have to enable your silent mode here. Disable your silent mode like this here. And on the number second, you have to check for the volume. So ensure that your volume is turned off. So you can press the volume button on the side of your iPhone here by adjusting. Also, you can just go and scroll down from your control center and you can just go and increase and decrease this volume here like this. On the number third, you have to look for the option of do not disturb mode, which might be enabled. So you have to simply toggle it off here. Just go for that. Also look for the option Bluetooth here. So if your phone is connected to the Bluetooth devices like headset or speaker, so the call may be routed here. So you have to simply turn off your Bluetooth here too. On the number fifth, you have to check for the ringtone setting. Just go for your setting here. Once you are on your setting, you have to just go for the sound and haptics. Once you are here, you have to just go and turn on your tone. So you have to just go for your ringtone and alerts, and you have to fully maximize your volume. And here you have to just go for the ringtone option, and here you have to just go and change your ringtone like this. So that's it. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.